So how do we going to approach on this here? Fast or slower?
Slow.
Why is that?
Because we are unsure if any vehicle is coming.
Good. What about this? How much space we need to give me from here?
1 meter.
So what's happening there? No. Meeting and clearance.
Yeah.
If we would have gone, would have made that van slowed down because of us?
No.
Let's do this. Good. So meeting and clearance is a very critical part. As we were going down, we can see that there was a trailer parked up on the left.
Okay.
But in the meantime, because it was on the lane A, on our lane, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
And it was quite wider and longer.
Yeah.
And the lane B, because we have to go to the lane B to go around that trailer, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Was there somebody was approaching that time? The van driver. You have got two options there. You need to assess the speed.
Yeah.
Now that van driver who was coming, was it slow or coming a bit faster?
Bit faster.
Now my question to you is, if you would have gone here next to the trailer
Yeah.
and the speed he was approaching,
Yeah.
would that road user, does he have to slow down because of us that time? Does that road user, even though it's his road,
Yeah.
we saw him coming, but we decided to continue on his road, would our action made him slow down because of us using his road, even though we can see he was coming?
Yeah.
Okay, what can you do differently? So
I can
next
just-
time when you see that,
I can slow down and stop.
and that's it. So you can see that he's coming, slow down and stop. So this is where the position. Should we position more towards the left, or should we position more towards like this?
Like that.
Why is that?
Because he know that he will get a signal that I am going on the left lane.
Well, that road user will gonna be able to go, but by stopping car like this, how would this benefit to, apart from him, apart from the oncoming, how would this positioning benefit other road users? Any idea?
Yeah, they will get my intention.
Who they?
The road users behind.
That's it. So the reason why I'm doing this, because what you're doing every time when you're parking, you are keep trying to signal, but your car body is a signal. Does it make sense now?
Yeah.
Any problem, any confusions now?
No.
Happy with that?
Yeah.